Hi my babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna hang out with a friend of mine. We're just gonna go mini golfing, you know, all that good. And I want to bring you guys with me. You know, I don't just do makeup tutorials. I will have one uploaded next week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video, and I'm trying to act as natural as I can before he comes in. I don't know, I just get really weird when other people come into the video, and you know, I just get really weird and awkward with that person. But anyways, I would just want to bring you guys with me, and we're just having so much fun. I'm sorry this isn't a makeup tutorial, but oh my god, he's here. Okay, ignore me, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
Ignore you?
Yeah.
Yo, this girl right here, this is my girl.
Okay, bye.
I'm gonna go for... Can I have the buttermilk crispy chicken sandwich without the lettuce or tomato?
Okay, just the mayonnaise?
Yes, please. Can I have that on its own?
Get me hella hungry.
And then can I have 2 double cheeseburgers with ketchup only?
2 double cheeseburgers, only ketchup?
Yeah.
That's it?
Let me ask my son if he wants anything. Anything else?
No, that's it.
No, that's it.
And I'm not your son. He hella
Your
funny.
child today is 1503. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You funny. You funny.
Alright. I hope I don't get pulled over because I don't got my child seat going on. But let's just pray I don't drive by any cops
You play too
tonight.
much though.
I'm gonna take him out mini golfing. He loves that. Hey. Of course. Well, I don't know why I didn't pull out my card. Here you go.
Oh damn it, you pay. Whatever.
I have a question. Do you know how old children have to be for a child seat? Like, what's the limit? like you know how like you have to have a child seat for a certain age?
Yeah.
Do you,
6?
6? Oh shit! I need that child seat for you.
No.
Okay. I'm just fucking with him.
Oh my god.
Have a good one.
Ignore
You
him.
too. Take care.
She was like, I'm not having it, Claire.
She laughed. You saw that?
You're
She
so
giggled.
funny. No.
Ooh,
No, I'm done.
Dude, I'm funny.
No, you're not funny. You're ugly.
Oh, hit me with that. Man, I don't know. I got this fresh shave going on.
Let me see it.
You see that fresh shave? That's what's up. You should have seen me this
Look
morning.
at her hair.
She cute.
So apparently he doesn't know where to get to mini golf because he's a fucking dork.
I thought it was this way.
And now we're lost.
Not lost.
Yes,
we
we
are.
are.
We just
Yes.
don't know where the mini golf place is.
We're lost.
It's not like we're in the cuts. We're on the freeway. We good.
He's wasting my time. It's okay. I'm kidding.
Who just got you nuggets?
I'm kidding.
Who got you nuggets?
Oh yeah, he got me some nuggets though.
Feeding you. I'm getting wasted.
I'm gonna get fat now. Yeah. More calories. Yeah.
I'm gonna get fat now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get big fat old fat.
Gotta get that booty going.
My hand's tired. You guys, vlogging is fucking tiring now. Like, you don't even have a stand. I can just put the phone there.
Man, I don't need that.
I need that.
Buy your own and then you can put it in my car.
I mean, shove these nuggets up your throat.
Dude, I'm down. Give me a nugget.
No, but they're mine.
See this fat ass? Look at him. Look at him deep throwing that nugget.
I'm good. I'm kidding. Nope. No. I'm a
What was
virgin.
that?
No, I'm a virgin, so.
Oh, right.
I am. I told you.
Virgin ones. Here? Is it? No.
No, we're not here.
Where the fuck is your golf course?
Just nuggets.
100%. People in the comment section, I'm gonna find it. It's gonna be on this like highway.
Mm-hmm.
Adrian owes me $10 if it is. We can get all those makeup products. You can give me $10 if I'm right.
It's just too much work. I'm holding the phone like this.
This is arm day for you. Just like strengthen those arms. used to skin nuggets. No joke. Fuck, it's there.
Oh,
Fucking knew it! Comment section, I was right. He owes me $10.
You fucking scared the shit out of me! Oh, it's right there. Y'all see it?
Fucking finally. Holy. Took me way too
Dude, you really did scare the shit out of me though.
I scared the shit out of myself. I did not think I was gonna find it.
Okay, no more. Okay, I got this, bitches. Wow.
Oh, you got this?
Yes, I got this.
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
What?
No way! No way! I hate this kid. I hate this kid. Oh, hit that run. Oh. He puts the ball down. He looks at the camera, points at it. All right, going for a par 1. I'm pretty sure it's in the green. It's in the green!
Doesn't want it in the green.
But it's in the green! Oh my god.
So we are waiting until these people finish their game.
Vid taping?
Yeah, it's been taping, bitch. He just butt hurt because I got 2 holes in 1 though.
Yeah, where's your ball, by the way?
Where's my ball? Clay, where's my ball? Clay, you play too much. Where is it? Oh. Not funny. I got my ball here. Clay, stop playing too much.
I'm giving it to you.
No, you're not.
I'm kidding.
Go, you go first.
I can't, just still go.
Oh, damn it. Well, sit down, ugly butt.
What's the what? What's the what? What'd you call me?
Nothing. I didn't call you anything.
Let's see what the score is. Let's see what
Dude,
that
my
is.
hat really hurts. How can people do it?
I-
Oh, hi everyone. I'm vlogging. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I'm vlogging. Yeah.
Love it.
Oh, I love it. So much fun.
My arm's not hurting
Oh
at
my
all.
god.
Show them the way. I will show you the way. The dance he does before he loses.
Wait, I moved your ball down.
Do you hit my ball?
What time?
I'm gonna get fought. You hit my ball!
Oh, wow.
I hit your ball.
Fuck you, Clay. Are you fucking kidding? Ah! That's not funny. What an a-hole. Not funny. Why you hit my ball for? So hey, okay. Hey, my baby. So unfortunately, I lost the game, but I had a great start. So y'all should give me props for that. Okay. I'll see you guys next time, next week with a makeup tutorial. I promised you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys like these type of vids. They're not my fortes. I don't like off YouTube. I hang out with my friends and shit. I don't really film it, but hopefully you guys get like a smaller sense of who I am and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below, like this video, and always slay and stay fierce. Yes, honey. Want to say anything?
Besides that, I won, and I'm super happy that.
Okay, I'm done with him. I'm tired. Well, my feet are tired because I've been wearing heels.
And you fell.
And I fell a couple of times. Well, they're extremely cute. Look at that, honey. I slayed. But yeah.
Those little hills slayed you.
Anyways, this is my outfit. It's just chic realness. Whatever. Okay, well, I gotta go. Bye-bye! Love ya!
Just came back from the salon.